welcome to another episode of Shitty's Auto. Alright, today we have a 2005 Buick Terraza. Now, this is not just a virtual test drive. This is like the papers you get when you get your dog. This is the story. It's a rebuild salvage title. The only reason I'm explaining this is because when people hear rebuild salvage title, they immediately think, oh, the car was in a hurricane, the car was lost in a flood and came back on land and they rebuilt the car. None of that is true with this car. This is what happened to this car. Bow. Barely had a fender bender. Okay? Show you what I'm going to do here. Now this car, mind you, has 123,000 miles on it. And all it had was a fender bender. And I want you guys to see this so you understand why it's rebuilt. This is why it's rebuilt. The reason is that insurance companies, the money they will put into the car, who they go through, the expensive car auto body shops, it would be more in the auto body work than the car's work. So they don't want to do that. So that's why they cash it out as salvage. Someone like me sees it, they put it in a rebuilt title, and then they sell it from the accident. And I'm going to show you, this is a good car. I'll show you some of the things I did to it. Now, when they had the fender bender, what they did was, car came here, or something came here, boom, hit them. When I originally got this whole cradle was broke. This is just a plastic piece. All it does is hold lights in. That's all it does. That's it. I replaced it. I think it's like $20 at the junkyard, okay? So, I put this in here. Now I have fender. These are props. This is already taken off. I just left it up here for mere props so you guys can see how easy it is. I just unbolted everything, took the fender off, cut the antenna wire, because these things are a special tool to get off. I just couldn't get it off. Frame is intact. Nothing, if you're looking to be pretty, it's still a pretty car. But if you're looking for just safety and what happened, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the frame right there. Do you see anything wrong with that frame? These are cosmetics, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Buick's built tough, nothing happened. They just didn't want to do the body work. Okay? 123,000 miles on this car. This is a very good car. AC works, cold AC. Come on, let me just show you. Now, I guess in the accident, they also broke this mirror here. We got one coming. It's not a big deal. Actually, mirror's right here. You might see pictures with the mirror on there. That's just for props. The mirror's coming. It's really not a big deal. Okay. Let's go on with it. All right, so I'm gonna take you inside, show you around the car. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Leather on the cloth. That's the leather on the cloth right there. You know what I mean? Look at your wood grain. All right, we're talking nice, luxury, no rips, no tears. You can tell they took care of this car. Check this out. Let me hit this button right here. See this button right here? Bow. Okay. Living room. Open up the living room. Guess what we got right there, ladies and gentlemen? Nice. Nice. All right. Show them the headlight right here. Look at this. We picked up at the junkyard. Okay. $20. Just letting you guys know what I did. All right. I'm going to put this. That's the only thing that was wrong. We'll put that light on the front fender. Come on over here. I'm not the best at matching paint. I know it looks a little off. When you see me again, I'm going to put another coat on, try to get this nice and shiny and clear as I can. All right, I'm going to show you when the fender's complete, and then I'll take you on a virtual test drive and see how it drives. This is the van for you and your family. Shitty's Auto. So here it is. New fender on, new light. She's ready to go. 123,000 miles. This is it. This is a dream right here. This is a steal. Somebody hit the gas and get this pretty thing out of here. And let's go for a virtual test drive and show you what it's about. All right. This door handle here some of the things I'm gonna show you. This door handle here is broken, but there's a button inside. Opens up, living room. Okay, there you go. Adjustable seats, goes up and down. Leather on leather. Rear seat. Got a luxury. We got storage compartments back here. It's not just a trunk. Got storage compartments back here. Yeah. And this piece comes out also if you want to take the whole thing out and take your storage away. All right. Now let's go on this virtual test drive so I can show you how it rides. Electric seats. Get adjusted here. Oh. Turn the car on first. How about that? And then I believe, there we go. Close the door. Okay, both sides. All right. Oh, there's your vents right there. There you go. There's your other door right there. Okay. All right. Cold AC. I'll turn that down here in a second. Radio.
To love it.
Check. Windows. Check. Mirrors. There we go. Check. Locks. Check. And your remote, your fob, that works also. When I say it's a steel, ladies and gentlemen, steel, okay? A steel. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a steel. So as I said before, rebuild salvage title really means nothing unless you're a car dealer trying to get the max value out of the car that you're just not gonna get. Just as me as a dealer, I know a salvage title, I'm not gonna get that full value of what this car is worth, but I'm still letting you guys know this is a steal. That's why I'm selling it so cheap. It's a steal. It's brand new. It's all they had was a fender bender. But again, I'm gonna let you see how it drives. Let's see how it rides. 123,000 miles leather. This thing is like brand new. All right, here we go. All right. Raining right now. What? I don't think the car's getting wet. Okay, here we go.